Hi guys, let's look at this parajumble question. Sentence A, the researchers started by observing customer related activities at the wineries. Okay, does not give us many hints. Sentence B, this success is partly due to grape and wine quality improvements over the recent decades. Okay, maybe this success, it is possible that this sentence has an antecedent, something that precedes it, something that this pronoun refers to, what kind of success. It is possible that we do have a sentence uh, telling us about or mentioning the success. Okay. Examples include reviewers, retailers, and okay. Examples of what? So the previous sentence should give me this information. All right. Sentence D says, but high quality alone is not enough to inspire evangelism. Ah, okay. But high quality enough alone is not enough, which means BD is the first concrete pair that we can uh, easily we can establish. B says this success is partly due to quality improvements, but high quality alone is not enough. So this contrast sign basically D qualifies the statement B. Okay. So this is qualification of statement B, modification of statement B. Okay. Statement E says they also interviewed people who were extra. Okay, they. Now who's this they? They also interviewed. Also is another important marker. It's also a transition word. So it is in addition to something else that these people did. Now this they can logically refer only to the researchers. So they started by observing someone. They also interviewed other kind of people, which means AE is the next concrete pair that I can figure out. Okay. Now, guys, E says they also interviewed people who were external to the wineries but involved with their products. And C tells me examples include reviewers and retailers, which means these are the people who were external to the wineries, but they were involved with their products. They were selling their products or they were reviewing their products, but they did not belong to, they were not internal to the wineries. Therefore, C should logically follow E, which makes AEC a mandatory triplet, a concrete triplet. So now we have solved, we have figured out that BD is a mandatory pair, AEC is a concrete triplet. The only job left is to arrange these two sequences now. Will it make sense to start the sentence with AEC and end it with BD? Or will it make more sense to start the sentence with BD and end it with AC? Now, sentence D said, but high quality alone is not enough. The next sentence should talk about something more. Something else is required. And that something else is observation of customer related activities, which has led to success. Basically, uh, in-depth research or observation is one factor which has led to success. So BD should precede AEC. The correct answer is BD AEC. So that's how you solve parajumble questions. Cheers to learning.